I'm at Manchester Airport and I am waiting on my flight to Istanbul, which is a connecting flight to Texas. I am going to Texas like right now. I've literally left for the love of horror. Looking a bit trashy. It's been a long day. My flight is now at 11:35, which still leaves me 2 hours and 5 minutes for a layover to get to my flight to Texas. So yeah, here we go. We are beef jerkying in Buc-ee's. This place is wild. Look at this fudge. So good. Got a little bit of spooky stuff in here too. So as we were this way, Eric brought us to the Texas Chainsaw gas station. Unfortunately today it's not open, but it's still so cool to be here. How cute is this? Love this completely. And then around here, oh look, it's the boys.
A spider.
Oh my goodness. Big ass spider.
It's huge.
We have the van. How insanely cool is that? This is ridiculous. The actual van. How cool. I was hoping there'd be some sort of like stuff inside, but there is not. So awesome. So cool and incredibly good to be here. Hello! We are at House of Torment. All of us. And there's our guide. Where's she gone? Ah. Yes, we are about to go and do a amount of escaping and houses and everything else that he's just told me that I can't remember. So we are going to go through and start. So this is where they do the costume and props. This is very cool. We are actually doing the VIP tour. Thanks to these guys.
Legs. Oh, look at this.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you were coming.
Here we go, into the abyss. So that was very cool. We just got like a behind the scenes look at
All right, gather
what they're
around
making.
right here.
Ooh,
All right, House
this is
1
cool.
is right here. House 2's on the other side of the stage. Zombie shooter. Haunt's topic. House 3's around the corner. Axe throwing. Mini escape rooms. There's the digital photo booth tent. Food truck. Torment tavern. And phobia. What do y'all want to do first?
Start here.
Yeah. House 1. Right this way. Watch your step right there.
Yeah. The arrival. Do we just go? This is so cool. quite sure. That was really cool.
That got you a couple times.
Yeah, I did. I done the little stupid leg dance.
Awesome.
That was so good. So
The leg
good.
dance.
Make sure you follow all the way through.
Cool. No, I'm not going first.
Ready?
Yeah, I think we must wait.
This one looks good. This one looks good. Thank you.
All right, you first. You're not doing it.
Back from the dead, Hellbent's retreating, abandoning his monster
Love.
to bring a new era of terror.
Oh man.
Bring home the hit movie of 1990.
Oh jeez.
Look at this guy. Oh, this is creepy. Kill me.
Oh jeez. This is so good. Oh, there's a man. Oh, he's still there. Oh jeez. Secret bar.
Secret bar.
Love it.
Very cool. Oh, it's a loser.
Hey. Good, how are you, man?
Yes. That was good. Stick it all the way in, baby.
That was nice. Did you?
I did.
I'm a big fan. Oh, cat.
Oh, this is cool.
I love cats. Oh, photo. Thank you. Just gotta check.
Are we ready?
No.
No?
Oh no.
I got you.
Oh, good. Oh, I was so scared someone's gonna come out of the clothes.
Yeah, I
Oh no, it's not. Oh, I knew it! Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's moving.
That made my ear ring.
Oh my god. Sorry.
That was good.
That was good. This is cool.
Man, where did that person go? Oh no. Love it.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, shit.
So nice to have you join us. You like my demon. Oh my god, this is insane. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so cool. Where do we go? Oh, there's something there. Where do we go?
I don't know, I think you gotta go forward.
I don't want to.
You have to.
I don't know.
Keep going.
Ah. 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 Oh, that was Feral Moon. That was good. Oh, wow. Ah! Oh my god. Woo. Wow. What do we think?
That was good.
Yeah,
That
that
was
was so good.
good.
So good.
Wow.
That was my favorite so
Yeah,
far.
that was really cool.
Love that one. This place is so cool. I'm not even filming. Oh. Where do we go?
Same guy who keeps getting us.
Where do we go? Where do we go? Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Love. Smack me in the tit.
That was my favorite one by
So
far.
good. So good. Did we love that one?
Alright, basic escape room rules. Please don't break anything. Please don't take anything. You in there, okay, please listen to me. If you are not able to get the door to the cage open through solving puzzles, okay, if you solve a puzzle, you're like, I should be able to get the door open, but it's not opening. Crawl out through the hole, okay? Don't listen to anybody who says, oh, don't crawl out through the hole yet, okay? If you can't get that door open, you will not be able to win, okay? So if you can't get it open, crawl out. Any questions before we start? You guys have 5 minutes. Nope.
We are in an escape room. Unable to escape.
4, 2, 5, 7. I got the number.
The number's good. I do think we've got something to do with these magnets.
Here's another magnet.
You've got, yeah, there's more magnets here. We're at Spirit Halloween.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
It's time to get spooky.
This guy. Oh my god. Oh, that's Victor and there's Emily. I want these so badly. Always a bridesmaid, never a bride. That's the story. Oh, what is this guy?
This is awesome.
I feel like I need that. He's off. It's so good to be back in the Spirit Halloween. Oh, he's playing. He's playing. What have you found? I'm surprised it's still so stocked up, considering how close we are to Halloween.
This is cool.
So the big question is,
Here's our boy.
are we going to find any Terrifier? That's like the biggest question.
Of course we are.
I don't know. I think it might be sold out. Oh, shut up. Oh, they've got the Haunted Mansion section. Oh. Oh my god, it's buy one, get one 50% off. Oh, I've got to get this. Oh my god. How much is that? $30. I need. Okay, I picked it up and yeah. Go through the funhouse. What is it? Spirit Funhouse of Terror.
Ooh.
Dun, dun, dun. So,
Blacklight.
yeah.
Teenager's worst nightmare.
Teenagers was like So, what have we got? Oh, they're cute. Oh, where's the ghost face mask? I need the pink sparkly situation.
There it is.
Oh, there's our guy.
Iconic.
It is, but these are just costumes. We need masks. I like this pumpkin head. That's a light cover. That's very cool. We need the horror. I've seen Michael Myers.
Oh.
Oh, dead bird. Oh. I feel like we're not going to find a lot of actual horror. What do you think? I think Art the Clown's gone.
I feel like there's a whole other side to this. Maybe there's
Yeah.
not. Oh, there's not, huh? This is it.
I don't know.
Must just be all stock.
Maybe, yeah, they do shut off. That's very cool. Oh my god.
Oh, hi, sorry.
Do you know what? This whole thing is going to be full of you tripping me up.
Yep. Adult.
Beetlejuice. So we have Pennywise. So Pennywise is still in stock because nobody cares about him anymore.
Huh.
This is our
There's a
ghost
new clown in
section.
town.
There is a new clown in town. And now we've got a bit of Elton John. Oh my god, I need this mask. Ooh. very cool. And they've got the Nightmare Teddy. These are cool. Mmm. That's what I said about you needing. That's very cool. They've discontinued these now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is this what you wanted? Is this one of the things you're looking for when you came in?
It's one of the things I said about you getting for your merchandise, actually.
Oh, hello.
Do you wanna give it a plug?
Nightfall Clothing Co. Go check it out.
Go check it out. See, these are cool, but it's not what you need, really.
Drink up, witches. Oh, there's an art.
I know, but they're sold out. I said we're not gonna find our boy.
Nope.
No. We're not. That's it. They're done with him. He's sold out because he's the most popular. Sam, I know, this is what I wanted you to watch
Sam?
yesterday. Oh, good. Wonderful.
That's nice.
I've got all of these. So yeah, that's everything to show you in here. There is nothing else really to show you because Art the Clown's gone and most of it's selling out now. So we're going to go and have a little look around.
This guy looks nasty.
I like him.
Have you ever seen the game Dishonored?
So we've been everywhere today, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. I've got one of these I've been wanting for ages. I only want Michael Myers and I am going to be fuming if I don't get it. This was $11.99, I think. You know what? I'm probably not going to be able to open this. It's like a non-human.
Do you need me to open it?
Yeah. Oh, please.
There's a thing on the side. Nice.
Did I get Michael Myers? Oh. Yes! Oh my god. It's the only one I wanted and I got it. I'm very happy about it. As you can tell, I think like it goes like melted ice cream sort of thing. Don't mind my broken nail. That's it. That's all I needed. You've seen it. I got it. Hello.
Hello.
We are leaving today.
Oh,
we had an extra day.
Extra day?
Didn't vlog any of it.
Nope.
No.
Just a whole lot. What did we do?
We had dinner. We went spooky shopping. We had we had barbecue.
Pie sausage. It has like corn, Fritos, Cojita cheese, or
That's right. We had an interstellar barbecue.
Oh my god.
Absolutely cooked.
Yeah.
Got the meat sweats.
Oh yeah, you were not okay.
I started getting sweaty. Meat sweats.
He's laying on the floor.
I couldn't even lay on my stomach.
No. But yeah, we're leaving. We've just got Starbucks. We are on our way back to Eric's for a bit, and then we're planing.
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Caramel ribbon crunch.
Yeah. At the airport, going home. It's been fun. He's going home. Yeah, we're done.
Oh.
I have just boarded my flight and I'm now going home.